So we're gonna hang the sunshade today. That's 30 by 30, and I've got all the hardware here. You can see I just went to Ace Hardware, grabbed a couple of these, and this is just a simple, it's got an eyelet on one side and a hook on the other. So I've got some D-rings that are on the house. D-rings, I don't know what they're called, but basically what I think I have been doing, or what I think I did last year, is I'll put this through the D-ring, and then the other side will go through this hole, just like that. And this side will go to the eyelet on the sunshade. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, what I did last year was the threads on either side. So obviously one is reverse thread, and you will hook both sides up, and then you'll just tighten it. And obviously the sides will stay the same, and this will just bring in each of the threads, and it'll tighten up the sunshade, and hopefully that will get all of the slack out. But I do remember from last year when I did hang it, the going across was okay on the far side, from that side of the house to the post over there. It was pretty taut, and then this side it wasn't. It kind of drooped, so that was kind of a pain in the butt, and I'll probably just kind of deal with it this year. But eventually I'm gonna have to figure out how to get it to where I'll probably have to back that post up, pull it out, back the post up, and then run some wires so that it can make it kind of even it out on both sides, so that it's not stuck to one spot. Because like I said, right now it's only going about that far from each of the attachment points to the house on each side and to the post. But I will show you the spots on the house, and then we'll go through a time lapse. So I measured the sunshade, and I tried to get it. It was very hard, and it's not perfect. But I've got these little, I don't know what you call these. Is that a D-ring or something? But I've got those, and they're just screwed into the fascia. I think that's what you call that. And then I also dug a hole, stuck this pipe. We drilled a hole into the top and just put one of those in. It's got a little bolt on the inside, and we cap the top so that the water doesn't get in. But that's just a simple eyelet with the threaded end, and then we bolted the inside of it. And I do plan on painting this eventually, but just haven't gotten around to it. And don't know, yeah, you kind of see there, right just above where the water spout, or the whatever that is, the downspout is for the gutters, just above that I've got another one of those D-rings. So I'm gonna get the time lapse going, and my wife's gonna come out here and help me, because last time I did this, I did it all by myself, and I ended up dragging the thing into the water, made it heavy. It was a pain in the butt, so I'm gonna try not to have to do that this time. So hopefully the next video will be a successful time lapse of us getting it up. Okay, so I was gonna do a time lapse, but I think it'll show the process better if I actually just video it. So I'll probably do that, and I'll just mute us. So we'll see how that goes. Okay. Forgot I never nailed that down.
not be in your video, but I wanted to watch. What do you need me to do?
I have no idea. I think I need the, here, come hold this. I'm gonna go grab the ladder.
I do that a lot. I notice so often that I have dinosaur things. Like, I'll just won't be doing it. I'll have a little T-Rex thing. I can't reach you. I don't know how you're supposed to do that. That's insane. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I almost had it. You gonna take it? Or you just gonna try again?
Hold it, I need to spit. Hold it, I need to spit.
Oh.
Start there.
You got it. You're so close.
Yeah, I know, and I hit that stupid. Woo, woo. Pull me over. Okay. Oh. Now I'm tired.
Yeah.
Oh man, now I can't hold on to it.
Oh no.
Hold up. Oh, hold up.
I wish I could help.
Oh, sheesh, I don't know what that was.
It looked like it looked like a wasp.
Probably was. I bet there's a wasp nest under there somewhere. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
You got it.
My gosh. Gotcha.
Woo.
Oh. Okay. Now I just need a wrench.
Good job.
Thank you. Thank you for Okay, took me a minute, but it's a 5/8. And all you gotta do now is twist it the right direction as it, and it'll tighten. I'm probably just gonna do it until it's all the way tight. And we're gonna do the same thing over here. Whoop. It's hard to do this and film at the same time. I can't see what I'm doing if I'm filming the right spot. But we're gonna do this one. Golly, sorry everyone, if anyone cares. I'm not a videographer, and I think I'm going the wrong direction. Am I going the right way? Let's see here. Yeah, I was going the wrong way. Awesome. So, go the right way, and it'll go a lot smoother. There we go. You're gonna do that on all 3 sides. All right, y'all, got it all tightened up. I know it's dark and it's hard to see, but I want to get this video out tonight, so if I don't do it tonight, I'll forget all about it. But I got them all tightened down. It actually looks a lot better than it did last year. There's plenty of headroom. I'm 6'1"-ish, and you know, it goes over your head right here, and not really a problem. Same thing over there. Now, I am afraid that once the sun hits it, it's probably gonna droop some. But really, right now, it looks really good. And I like that it only covers half the pool. So there it ends right there, and it covers, yeah, about halfway around the pool. It really only offers shade when the sun is high in the sky, of course. It's not gonna cover whenever the sun's over there, where it's setting right now, but it's usually cooled off in the afternoon by then. So, you know, sun's peak high in the sky and you're in this area over here, you're gonna be a lot cooler than if you're over here. I will mention, if you buy this on Amazon, which I did, again, it's a 30 foot by 30 foot by 30 foot triangle. And if you do it, get it from Amazon, it comes with some really cheap, those things I was showing you, that hardware. So I wouldn't even worry, I wouldn't even mess with it, to be completely honest. I would just go to your hardware store and buy something that looks like that, because it's going to tighten up a lot better. The other ones I tried first, they bound up on me and it just was a pain in the butt. But I mean, you're into the pool and you're into that, looks really good. So appreciate anybody who's made it this far in the video. I know some people were really wanting to see this get put up. I hope this is a pretty good step-by-step, and if y'all have any questions, shoot them down in the comments, and subscribe and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching.